everyone, good morning. Alright, I made it to Gatlinburg. If you saw that video, thanks for watching. I'm on the Foothills Parkway. Man, getting through Pigeon Forge. Wow. The tourists are here in full force. Kentucky. I just passed Alabama. Yeah, Pigeon Forge was just a nightmare. Man, if you can't drive, if you don't know how to drive, get out of the left lane. Man, the passing lane is for passing, not for you to park out there and sightsee. If you want to see what's on the left side of the road, on a 6-lane highway, make yourself a U-turn. Don't camp out in the left lane and hold up traffic for everybody else. Goodness sakes. It's not rocket science, it's just driving an automobile. It almost feels like I put these forks together correctly last week. This little scooter feels good. It probably needed it after 17 years and 21,000 miles. My foot peg drags before my knee puck does. Good job. My suspension feels like it's set up okay. That's the one thing in the world that I hate doing on a motorcycle, rebuilding the forks. Not because it's difficult, but because it's so messy. I'll wear out a roll of paper towels, all the oil that I get everywhere in my shop. My workbench turns into a greasy mess, slimy, oily, dirty. Right there's my favorite truck in the world. Man, I love a Nissan Frontier. Not that new junk that's out there now. 2005 to 2022. Best truck made. If you watch my Smoky Mountains video from this morning, I got to see a bull elk today, the full wrap. It's in the video. I don't know how good the quality will be until I get home later. And if y'all didn't know it, I'm running the Senna 10C Evo. I wish I would have paid for the Senna 10C Evo what they cost now. They're around 130 bucks, 140 bucks shipped to your house. For a 4K camera that mounts on your helmet that hooks up to your phone. It gives you Bluetooth to your phone so you can take calls, listen to music. You can buy 2 of them for under 300 bucks. Put one on your mate's helmet so you two can talk to each other. And if that ain't cool enough, it has built-in Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi. So when you're shooting video, you can go back later and hook up to the Wi-Fi and watch that video at your next stop. So that's kind of a cool feature. Oh man, I love it when people throw away their garbage on the freaking on the parkway. Golly. And keep your garbage in your car. Don't be throwing it out here in the mountains. Anyway, yeah, the 10C Evo Pro, that's what you're watching right now, this video, 4K. I hope the lens is clean. When I left the Krispy Kreme, the lens was clean. And if you're with Krispy Kreme and you're watching this, there's no excuse for 2 donuts and a chocolate milk to be $8.50. I know we're in a new world. One donut is not worth $2.50. It's not. That's why I stopped going to Krispy Kreme so many years ago. So yeah, Senna 10C Evo. Check it out at Senna.com. And I believe it comes with a 2-year warranty. How do you beat that? You can also watch my video how to correct the camera switch so you never have to use the warranty. The Senna camera is absolutely bulletproof. And if you like my video going through the Foothills Parkway, please hit that thumbs up button. There's really nothing cool left to see on this road, so I'm going to click off for now, and I'll catch y'all on Deals Gap. So have a wonderful day, a great weekend, and a beautiful life.